Hello, here is a quick demo to see how the model actually works on our mobile phone. So first thing first, you have to download the GTUF file. I have already shared the link on my GitHub. After downloading the file, you have to also download the app shown here called Llama Chat. It's completely free. With this app, you can load any of your fine-tuned model and can do inference. Let's open the app. First thing first, you have to upload or load your model in this app. Go to manage, import the file. Okay, here the last one was fine-tuned yesterday, so I'm using that one. Now it's importing the file. Let's wait for a while. Okay. In the meantime, let's see some preset models. Some models already available. You have to just download this to use. Okay. Today we are not going to explore these things because we are going to test our own model. Okay. Upload is done. Now let's load the model. Loaded successfully. Let's get back and start a new chat. Now, since it's older model fine-tuned on Python dataset, let's ask some Python things. What is list comprehension? Okay, let's see. It's thinking. Mhm. Okay, good. Can you write simple Laura? Sorry. Laura config snippet. Okay. How to download a Hugging Face model. The inference is little bit slower, and we can understand that this phone is a budget phone, maybe Snapdragon 665 chipset. Might be more faster in high range phone, but it's good for testing. Okay, looks fine. Let's close this for now. I think the demo was okay to show that the 1.5 billion model can be run on mobile phone with proper setup. Thank you.